In the natural habitat, eagles and cobras are formidable predators, each one equipped with distinct abilities. Their intense encounter creates a high-stakes spectacle in the wild, pushing the limits of their strength and skills in a thrilling battle for survival. Known for its imposing figure and steadfast presence in the sky, the eagle is considered one of the most stunning birds of prey in the world, celebrated for its strength and courage. The eagle represents authority and supremacy in various cultures. With exceptional vision surpassing human capabilities by up to 8 times, these impressive birds can spot their prey from heights exceeding 3 kilometers. Apart from their mastery of the skies, eagles demonstrate remarkable aerial skills, allowing them to navigate with nimbleness and accuracy across wide open spaces in pursuit of prey. Upon locating a target, the eagle fearlessly dives at remarkable speeds of up to 302,000 km/h, swiftly capturing its prey and leaving it with no chance of escape. This astonishing speed ensures the eagle's successful and sudden attacks. Cobras are renowned for their deadly venom, making them some of the most dangerous snakes on the planet. Despite their impressive strength down larger and more dangerous species like cobras, cobras and eagles showcase distinct hunting strategies in their natural habitats. While cobras pose a threat to a wide range of animals due to their potent toxicity, eagles have developed their own tactics and qualities to effectively handle and surmount this perilous challenge. The durable and dense feathers found on eagles play a critical role in safeguarding the birds from cobra venom. This substantial feathering acts as a barrier, preventing the venom from penetrating the eagle's body and ensuring their safety during the hunt. Furthermore, the eagle's sharp talons and powerful legs enable swift and secure grasping of prey. Eagle eggs provide a vital source of nutrition for cobras, supporting their sustenance and growth. Cobra's venom is not only a means of self-defense, but also a potent weapon for capturing prey. Fueled by a strong survival instinct, cobras continuously seek opportunities to raid eagle nests, where they can find abundant nourishment. Despite the formidable and daunting nature of eagle predators, cobras have the ability to skillfully navigate and use effective camouflage to secretly steal eggs from their nests. When an intrusion is detected, the eagle does not back down easily. Its strength and expert hunting skills are showcased through its powerful talons and strong grip, enabling it to easily overpower cobras. To deceive and approach their prey showcases their cunning nature. Instead of immediately pouncing on their target upon detection, they hover to meticulously assess and select the most opportune moment to strike. Larger animals like foxes, wolves, and even other herbivores at times